You can do it. Whoa. What happened? Good job. Whoa. That's a good effort right there. Wanna go back? Yeah, that's not moving. No, that's not moving anywhere.
Wanna go back?
Yeah. Yeah.
One more time, ready? Go.
Slow down, buddy. You can do it. Yeah. You can do it. Yeah. Just slow down. Nope. This is faster. I'll stay on my knees. It's faster. Yeah. That works.
Safer. That's safer.
Yeah, that works.
Good
Yeah, that
job.
works.
Good job.
Good job, buddy. One more time? No? You're ready to get on the treadmill, don't you?
He's going for a long time.
Okay.
Ready? Go. You go.
Go for it. Go, go. Come on, 1 mile.
You're so silly.
You can do it.
Oh, he's sweating.
Yeah. You can do it. Come on, buddy. Go, 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 go. You can do it too, Mommy. You can do it. Look at the determination on him.
Got you. Yay.
Yeah, good job. Yeah, careful with that.